So what's up, guys? Today we're wait a minute. So today we're like building like a real life bridge, and it's real life to go. Oops, wait, I just fell out of the world. As you can see, I can die. I can break bedrock, and it means I'm in creative mode. So today we're like building like a real life bridge, and yeah, I'll show you how to build it. And also, we're if you didn't check out that video how to like make a campfire zone and a fountain, make sure you after this one you check it out real quick. And also I'm doing a ABC in this world, but we're not almost done. I'm still not done with it, so I'm not still gonna record it today. Maybe the next day, or maybe for 2 days, or I'll be finished. I don't know, but this is one we already built. Yeah. So yeah, so let's go back to the thing that I trying to show you. So you just build a giant hole. No, don't do this to me. Anyways, I can. So you're probably asking Eric, but why do you have like campfire in your inventory? Well, that's because that's how you're gonna build a bridge. It's not. Let me show you the way. So you build like this bridge, like this, just. And I'm actually in Minecraft education, and then you just float them into water buckets, and then it's gonna look like a very good old bridge. Like it's real life cool. It's very cool. Like it's super cool, you know, guys. Okay. Go now. We just pick up. Just pick it up. There we go. And then you made yourself a very nice bridge. So this is the end of the video. And if you don't know how to build a Nether portal, let me just show you real quick. If you didn't download Minecraft yet, like it's very cool. Make sure you go to Minecraft education. It's still, but if you know like real Minecraft edition like it is, there's netherite armor, netherite ore in that game, but it didn't released yet in the Minecraft education. So, and then you just find some flint and steel, and then bam, you got some portal. Now we're going. So yeah, this is the Nether. Yeah, it has these weird things. Oh hey, agent. And also you can create like your own agent. You have your own agent. Whatever you call you in Minecraft, it's called like this. See, my mom is called Agent Thea, not I mean just Thea, but it's not Thea. Just someone just renamed that. So yeah, So let's just get back. Let's break in the Nether portal like nothing ever happened. Like never we gone to the Nether before. And yeah, this is the end of the video. So have a nice day. Bye.